Are you ready to supercharge your marketing strategy? Introducing the 5 principles of inbound marketing. Principle number 1, attract. It's all about creating valuable content that grabs your audience's attention. Blogs, videos, social media, be informative, engaging, and shareable. Principle number 2, convert. Turn those interested visitors into leads by offering something they can't resist, an ebook, a webinar, or a free consultation. Principle number 3, close. Nurture your leads and guide them through the buyer's journey. Email campaigns, personalized messages, and relevant offers make them feel special. Principle number 4, delight. Deliver an exceptional customer experience that keeps your customers coming back for more. Offer outstanding support, surprise them with exclusive deals, and encourage feedback. Principle number 5, analyze. Measure your efforts, track your results, and continuously optimize your strategy. Learn from your data to make smarter marketing decisions. There you have it, the 5 principles of inbound marketing. Attract, convert, close, delight, and analyze. Ready to revolutionize your marketing? Let's get started.